sunny and it has grass and stuff. But during the winter, it's frozen.
It's frozen.
It's frozen.
Okay.
It's where most musk oxen, Arctic wolves, and Arctic bunnies. We saw that on the hares. Hares go there for eating grasses.
Okay, so who said something about it's frozen so that it keeps the water, yeah? So can you explain that again?
It keeps water frozen so that it doesn't flood most cities, and there's about 10% of the water on the earth is frozen in the ice caps, or on top of Kilimanjaro. And
so are you sure about the 10%?
Yeah, researched it.
Yeah.
You did? You researched it?
Yeah, Katie did.
Katie did. I didn't. Caleb, anything else? I know it's hard to talk when the camera is on.
No, I'm thinking.
Ignore the camera.
It's not that useful.
It's not that useful? What's not useful?
The ice.
The ice is not very useful? How about the temperature? Does it keep
it does cool down Earth.
It cools Earth down, it keeps it a little cool?
It keeps it
How do you think
it should be, but now it's not.
How do you think the ice keeps the temperature of the Earth cool?
Can I just ask? I was gonna ask.
Okay, it like ice. It's cold, so it's cold. It's like cold.
Yes, Maggie, like
It cold because it's cold. It
Cools the...
cools the Earth around ice.
I don't know. Does it freeze? But my question is that is it the same way the sun is heating up the Earth, and the cool air is not escaping because of the greenhouse gases and all that? Is it the cool air is escaping or not? And is it the same thing as the sun coming in and going out?
What? Okay.
Is it the question? Is the ice keeping the Earth cool because it can't escape through the ozone layer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have something to do about the presentation. When we're doing the presentation, we could do, if we had a dry ice machine to make it look cold, and you would make the styrofoam, not like just put it there, you cut it up into the small balls, and when the dry ice blows, it blows up so it looks like smoke.
Okay. So you're already thinking about presentation?
Yeah, because a presentation is like you don't want to go into a room that it looks like
someone just threw it together.
You research so much, and then you know it all in your head, but you don't want to present it, because when somebody walks into a room, they wanna see the presentation, and they want to feel like.
So you feel a presentation is a very important part of exhibition?
Yeah.
Well, if they come to see your exhibition, that's what they're there for. And so if you're like, yes, you might have also just information, but you should make them feel that your information, you need to show that you know what you're talking about, not just come and read. Yeah, and the visual aspect takes a lot of the exhibition, because the whole point we're given like 6 weeks to do it is so that we can come up with something that's really presentable and something that catches your eyes, not something, because if you wanted just information on pieces of paper, you could do that in about a week.
Okay. So it's how you talk. Do you use your own words?
Yes.
Are you going to be using your own words? Are you confident? Are you smart? Do you know what you're talking about? And right now, all those questions that you have, you need to know the answers to, right?
Yeah.
Because you said, how is the ice helping keep the temperature down? How is global warming really happening? Right? So think about those questions, put them down, and we have one last. What are our inquiry lines right now?
We have
for change, it's what will happen to the world if global warming continues, and how can we make people aware of global warming.
Okay, I really like that. So let's